The SAMP-T air defense system is designed to intercept aerial targets such as drones, cruise missiles, and ballistic missiles. And most likely, SAMP-T will soon enter the war in Ukraine. Avia.pro news agency, citing a source from the Italian newspaper Repubblica, said that France and Italy have agreed to supply the SAMP-T air defense system to Ukraine. SAMP-T may be part of the 6th arms support package that the Italian government is expected to approve for Ukraine in mid-November. The SAMP-T air defense system is manufactured by the European corporation Eurosam, a joint venture between Aerospatiale, Alenia and Thompson-CSF. The mission is to protect military bases as well as against air threats such as tactical ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, anti-radiation missiles, and drones. The SAMP-T was deployed operationally by the French Army and Air Force, as well as Italian Army in 2011. A complete SAMP-T battery includes launch vehicle, Aster 30 missile, and a fire control unit based on the Arabel multifunction electronically scan array. Components of the SAMP-T system are mounted on the Italian Iveco truck and the French Renault Keras 8x8. Accordingly, the Renault Keras 8x8 is designed with a weight of 12 tons, a maximum payload of 26 tons. The vehicle has a length of 10.1 meters, 2.6 meters wide, and 3.5 meters high. Using a Renault DXi11 turbocharged diesel engine with a capacity of 450 horsepower, allowing the vehicle to move at a maximum speed of 110 km per hour and a range of 900 km. For Iveco trucks, designed with a weight of 15 tons, the maximum payload is 17 tons. The vehicle has a length of 9.34 meters, 2.5 meters wide, and 2.87 meters high. Thanks to the Iveco Cursor 13 turbocharged diesel engine with a capacity of 450 horsepower, the vehicle can run at a speed of 90 km per hour with a range of 800 km. The strength of the SAMP-T lies in 8 load tubes equipped with Aster 30 two-stage solid-fuel long-range interceptors. The missile has a length of 4.9 meters with a weight of 510 kilograms, of which its warhead weighs 20 kilograms. Due to its two-stage layout, the missile can reach a speed of Mach 4.5 within 2.5 seconds. Furthermore, the missile is highly maneuverable. Up to its mid-course, the missile is guided using refreshed target data transmitted by the multifunction radar. During the homing phase, the missile is guided by its electromagnetically active seeker. Aster 30 has the capability to intercept targets at altitudes from 50 meters to 20 kilometers against aircraft targets flying at altitude above 3 kilometers. The maximum range of Aster 30 is 100 kilometers. At aircraft targets with altitudes below 3 kilometers, the range of Aster 30 is 50 kilometers. The SAMP-T system can be adapted to work with various long-range radars. Detection range is 300 to 400 kilometers when using the Thales GM400 long-range radar. The launcher vehicle can be located up to 25 kilometers from the radar vehicle. The system uses a NATO-compliant Link 16 communications architecture. The system can operate in standalone mode or can be integrated in a coordinate network. These air defense systems can be coordinated by NATO command and control structure. This allows to combine radars as well as air defense and anti-ballistic assets of various countries into one single network. If SAMP-T enters the war in Ukraine, the country's air defense forces will be raised to a new level.